Okay, so when we finished this last night, it was actually dark and there was no wind at all, so I put a hairdryer on it. Whereas the first thing that happens when you do something like that is people tell you, a hairdryer, that does nothing. It's a symmetry, it's blowing to one side, you'll never get that to turn, blah, 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 blah. So, of course, I brought it out into the wind, and I can tell you that the wind we've got, well, it's not even registering on this, so it's really a very low wind, and yet there's our rotor turning, which is pretty cool because of course it is a drum. Now of course we just bent those fins out and basically the wind is hitting the fin. It's not an airfoil, it's not a lift rotor, it's a drag rotor, but it is spinning just fine, which is awesome. The very next thing that people are going to go is, well, that won't last in a high wind. It's funny. Some people are just such glasses half empty people, aren't they? And I tend to be a bit glasses half full. So we made this out of a scrap tumble dryer, we put a hairdryer on it, sure enough it spins, we bring it out into the lightest of breezes, and it's spinning away. Anyway, I thought I'd do that quick update to show you that the rotor can actually spin in a natural environment in the tiniest of breezes. If this picks up to about a metre a second or so, you'll see that thing whiz round. But I hope you enjoyed the update and thank you very much for watching. Just wanted to add to that because we got a bit of a breeze at about 0.9 to 1.2 meters per second, and as you can see the rotor is now flying. So I thought I'd just capture that on film.